Okay. Yes. So we are back, and now we go to the next page. People with their hats on, going indoors. People with umbrellas when it rains and pours. People in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators, up and down they go. People walking singly, people in a crowd, people say nothing. People talk aloud, people talking aloud, people laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go, song of city people you see but never know. I'll read that again. Very nice poem. People with their hats on, going indoors, people with umbrellas when it rains and pours, people in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators, up and down they go, people walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talk aloud, people laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go, song of city people you see but never know. Very nice. So people with their hats on going indoors. People generally wear a hat in the morning. It's a foreign country. She's an American writer. So in America, people wear hats and go out. And when they're going inside a place, when they go inside, then they open their hat. So before they don't go into the office, or they're not going into a restaurant or going to a mall, they keep on wearing their hats. It's just a culture, basic thing. Going indoors, we also wear caps and hats sometimes. When we go inside a place, then we open it. People with umbrellas when it rains and pours. So people during rainy season, people, everyone has a umbrella in their hand, or in their handbag, or in their bag, or in the sling bag. It's there, the umbrella. As it starts raining, you just pop up the umbrella and you start going around with it. So this is what it is. So during rainy season, people without fail, they go out with their raincoats and umbrella as well. And people in tall buildings and in store belows. See, stores are actually not storehouses. Stores are shops. In metropolitan cities, we have huge buildings where you have offices on the top, or residential complex on the top, and below are all the stores where you have all the multinational brands, national and multi international brands, where people have. We have Big Bazaar also. We have the City Mart, we have whatnot, we have Spencer's, everything is there. So Domino's, everything you can get everything available under those tall buildings. And riding elevators up and down they go. We all these stores have got elevators, so people don't use lifts these days. Too much of lifts, they try to use the elevators, which we call escalators. Elevators are also lifts. We can say elevators are, instead of lifts we say elevators. Escalators escalate you the speed of from steps, so you just stand on one step and it escalates you. And an elevator just takes you from below and takes you up. That's also a lift. So they're lifting you actually. So elevators in tall buildings, people don't want to walk so many stories high. Suppose it's 13 stories, Kolkata has 20, 19. The place where I live is on the 10th floor, so I don't walk. I go down 10 floors, but I don't walk up. So I come down walking, and I go up with a lift. So it takes only few seconds to reach your floor, and within a minute you are up to your floor. By the time it closes and it travels up, so it's like that. And people are always using the elevators up and down. Go to the mall in Muzaffarpur, the mall which is there, the Big Bazaar mall, the huge mall which is there. I don't know the name, but people you'll see always going up and down through the lifts and all. Everything is, they don't want to use the stairs. And people walking singly, people in a crowd, people say nothing, but people talking aloud. So people are coming and going. Some are walking single, some are walking in a crowd, but they are coming and going, they are not talking to each other, but there is so much of noise. So that's what, when there are too many people at one place, automatically there's going to be a noise. So people laughing and smiling, grumpy people too, some people are laughing, some people are smiling, some people are off mood, grumpy means they're not in their good mood. It happens, you don't know, either you're happy, you're going to office, today is your payday, you're going to get your payments, that's why you're happy. You're going on the road, you're going to meet someone, you're happy. Someone has lost something, or someone is in a hospital, or someone is sick, that person is angry, or something has happened. So various type of moods you'll see. All people don't have to have the same mood, it's always different, and that's what generally happens. So various type of people we see on the road, and people who are just in a hurry, they just pass by, they don't even look at you. It's not needed. In Kolkata, I don't know, in Muzaffarpur people stare at me, but in Kolkata no one looks at me also, because we don't have the time. And we walk and we don't look at each other, we just walking, I'm walking, some people are walking with their mobiles, or they're listening to the songs, or they're reading something. Who's coming, who's going, they don't care, because they know no one. Only except if anything happens suddenly, then people start gathering and start asking. Otherwise generally no one asks anybody, or they're not looking at anybody. You wear what you want, you eat what you want, you travel the way you want, no one cares. And sing a song of people who like to come and go, song of city people you see but never know. It's like a song, constant people coming and going. It's like a song which continues, ups and downs in the song you have. So suddenly you see 4 people, then suddenly you see 10 people. So it's like that, people coming and going. So that's a huge effect on that. That's like a type of a song, which you see that song, or you are seeing those people, but you don't know those people. It may be out of 100 people, you might be not knowing 100. It may be out of 500 people, you may be knowing one person. So inside that crowd, you won't even know where is that person. So it's like that. It's all about the city life, and it's a very nice poem. I liked it. So you will read through this, and after that you will try to you'll write down the word meanings, and you'll try to solve the question answers as well. After that, in the next class, I'm going to tell you. Today we are going to discuss the question answers of Moina, the YY girl. Why did we'll come to page 38? Okay. Why did the narrator drag Moina back by her pigtails? The narrator dragged Moina back by her pigtails because she was running to catch a snake. How did Moina get her nickname the YY girl? Because she had always a question. She used to always ask why. So the postman named her the YY girl. I'm just saying it in the easy language. You have to write it down. So you'll know what you have to write. Was Moina a lazy girl? Explain your answer. No, Moina was not a lazy girl. She used to do a lot of working. She used to sweep the cow sheds. She used to take the goats for herding, and she used to bring water for the babus and lay bird traps and all everything. She used to do a lot of work. Why could Moina not attend the Samiti school? Because her timing was not right. Moina could not attend the Samiti school because her timing was not right. She was not interested in learning at the first point of time. She had so much of work to do. Otherwise they won't get food to eat. And her mother was lame. Brother used to go to the woods to bring wood, and father was working somewhere in Jamshedpur. Answer the following questions with reference to the context. Why should I thank him? Who says this to whom? Why should I thank him? Moina is saying this to her mom, to her mother, that why should she thank the Babu? Who is the person being referred to? The person being referred to is the Babu who she works for. Ask me questions. Who says this to whom? Why do you think the speaker says this? Ask me questions. Who says this? I saw this in the last part. Ask me questions is Moina, who's 18 years old now, and she's telling the other students in the class, she's asking them to ask me questions because she's become a teacher in the school. Why do you think the speaker says this? Moina says this because she has learned so much. She's been to school, she knows all the answers. So she's saying, if you don't ask questions, you won't know the answers. Which of these lines describe the story best? Give reasons for your answer. Asking questions can get you into trouble. Asking questions helps you to learn. Asking questions can make you a difficult person. Asking questions can make you a teacher. Asking questions help you to learn. Okay, so after that, if you don't learn, you cannot become a teacher. So first it helps you to learn. Find a word or phrase in the story which means the same as pulled. Pulled we will have as here in the first page. We'll get here drag, dragged, cut with a blow. Now cut with a blow is, we have to find these words here. Wait, what I'll do is I'll do this and get back to you in the next class. I'll write it down for you so that you don't have any problems. Okay, I'll do these for you, and if you can, well and good, and I'll get this done for you. Only one page, so I'll get it done for you, and I'll tell it to you in the next class, and you can write it down. Okay, fine. So sing a song of people, you have to do, try it first, try yourself. I'm always there, I'm going to do it for you. And say whether the following sentences are true or false. Page 43. Okay, everyone walks quickly. Yes. No, true. No, it's not. Everyone is not walking quickly. Everyone uses the stairs in all the buildings. False. Some people are silent. Yes. Everyone looks at you. No. You are almost you know almost everyone. No. How many forms of transport are mentioned in the poem? Taxi, bus, and what is there? Taxis, bus is there only. The taxi and bus is only said about there. Okay, and what do we have here? Find a word or phrase in the poem which means as below. Is a subway. Traveling on is buses. Shops are stores. Alone is singly. In a bad mood is grumpy. Okay, and rest I'll again also do it for you and keep it so that you first try. You try it yourself. If you can't do it, then I'm there, but it's better to try. Okay, so see you in the next class again on Friday, and take care of yourselves. Be home, be safe, and do whatever you want after you do your studies.